Okay, it's just a demonstration of the new keyless ignition system I've fitted to my Mazda RX8. Those things unlock the car. And notice that the keyhole is blanked off. There's no keys in there. Step in. And close the door. Okay. Start button is here. Next to it is a keypad. And at the moment the keypad is flashing with a red light. I need to input a code, so I shall just do that now. Okay, the code has been input, and you get an orange light on the start button. Single press, and you get a green light. This is the accessories, so the radio will come on, and that's the car PC, but the ignition is off. Next press of the button gives you a green flashing light, and that puts the ignition on. If I then depress the clutch, the button goes red flashing light indicating I can start the car. Press and hold, and the car starts. That's the car running. And now the light has gone off. And if I press the button again with the clutch depressed, hold it down, the car will go off. If you don't wish to start the car, and you just want to listen to the radio or turn the ignition on for any reason, single press of the button puts the radio on. That's the radio on again. Second press of the button puts the ignition on. And if you want to turn it all off again, leave your foot off the clutch, press it again, everything turns off. The keypad is live at the moment, but with no extra input. After 30 seconds it will shut off and disable the start button, allowing you time to get out of the car. And that's it. No keys. Takes about 7 hours to install.